Hello everyone! Hello mga trops! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening. So ayan, nasa labas tayo ngayon kaya naka-jacket. Hindi. Malamig kasi siya kasi kakaulan pa lang. So, pauwi po ako. So, kaya ginawa ko na ito. Ano ba yung content ng video natin ngayon? Okay, or tutorial. We're going to talk about the remainder theorem. Okay? But, bago tayo dumako dun sa example, let me first give you the definition of remainder theorem. In algebra, the polynomial remainder theorem, also known as, is an application of Euclidean division of polynomials. It states that f of x, or f of x, is divided by x minus h. The remainder is f of h. Ano daw? Ito ko hindi ko naintindihan, guys. Mga props, hindi ko rin naintindihan. So, anyway, huwag niyo pansinin muna sa definition. Punta na lang tayo sa examples para mas magets niyo yung process. So, tara! Okay. Given the first example, 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. So, paano natin malalaman si remainder nitong equation nito in the fastest way? Kasi, meron tayong 3 ways para magkuha si remainder. First, you can use the long division. And I know na iilan lang ang gagamit ng long division para makuha si remainder. Or baka nga wala. Second, synthetic division. Madali rin siya. So, you can use it. And the last one is yung substitute. Okay, you just need to substitute the value. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano yung isa-substitute natin? Look at this one. Kailangan mo lang kunin yung opposite sign. Okay, so from negative 2, the opposite is positive. So, kailangan mo lang siyang i-substitute doon sa x to get the remainder. So, to try, you have 4 negative positive 2 na cube minus 5 positive 2 plus 1. So, you have 4 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube is equal to 8 minus 5 or negative 5 times 2 is 10 or negative 10, then plus 1. 4 times 8 is 32 minus 10 plus 1. 32 minus 10 is 22 plus 1, you have 23. Therefore, the remainder is 23. Now, para mas makita nyo kung tama nga si remainder, we can use synthetic division. Okay, synthetic division. Para ma-check natin kung tama yung remainder na nakuha natin kanina. We have, from negative 2, kailangan mo rin siyang kunin yung opposite sign. So, it will become positive 2. Okay? 4 followed by 0. Bakit may 0? Kasi as you can see, cube yung naunang exponent, then followed by 1. So, pag synthetic division ang process na ginamit, kailangan kompleto yung exponent. So, dapat meron siyang 2 or squared. So, para magkaroon siya ng squared, we need to put 0 here. Kasi ang magiging itsura niyan ay ganito. 4x cubed plus 0x squared minus 5x plus 1. Okay? Kaya naglagay tayo ng 0 as the representation of the squared. Then, negative 5 and 1. So, bring down 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 0 plus 8 plus, addition po yung nasa gilid. You have 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Negative 5 plus 16 is equal to 11. 11 times 2, you have 22. And 1 plus 22 is equal to 23. This is now the remainder. Okay, so 23 yung nakuha nating remainder sa synthetic division and 23 yung nakuha natin dito remainder. Therefore, this is correct. So, ganun lang po kadali ang pagkuha ng remainder ng isang equation. So, hindi na kailangang pahirapan ang sarili. Okay, second example. Paano kung ganito yung equation? So, same lang yung expression na ginamit ko. You have 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1. Kagaya kanina. Nagkaiba lang dito sa ating divisor. You have 2x minus 1. Okay, synthetic division. Para ma-check natin kung tama yung remainder na nakuha natin kanina. You have, from negative 2, kailangan mo rin siyang kunin yung opposite sign. So, it will become positive 2. Okay? 4 followed by 0. Bakit may 0? Kasi as you can see, cube yung naunang exponent, then followed by 1. So, pag synthetic division ang process na ginamit, kailangan kompleto yung exponent. So, dapat meron siyang 2 or squared. So, para magkaroon siya ng squared, we need to put 0 here. Kasi ang magiging itsura niyan ay ganito. 4x cubed plus 0x squared minus 5x plus 1. Okay? Kaya naglagay tayo ng 0 as the representation of the squared. Then, negative 5 and 1. So, bring down 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 0 plus 8 plus, addition po yung nasa gilid. You have 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Negative 5 plus 16 is equal to 11. 11 times 2, you have 22. And 1 plus 22 is equal to 23. This is now the remainder. Okay, so 23 yung nakuha nating remainder sa synthetic division and 23 yung nakuha natin ditong remainder. Therefore, this is correct. So, ganun lang po kadali ang pagkuha ng remainder ng isang equation. Okay, second example. What if ganito yung equation? 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Okay. So, as you can observe, ang ating divisor ay may coefficient. So, si x ay may katabing 2. You have 2x minus 1. So, paano siya gagawin? Or paano nyo makukuha si remainder ng mas madali? Okay. So, magiging ganito po yan. So, kailangan mong kunin yung opposite sign ni negative 1. From negative, it is positive. So, you have 1. Okay. Saan mapupunta ito si 2? Sa baba. 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang kailangan mong i-substitute ay fraction. You have 1/2. Pag ganito ang divisor. Okay, so let's try to substitute. You have 4, then quantity 1/2 cube minus 5 1/2 plus 1. So, paano pa ganyan? Okay, first, ito muna. So, copy 4. 1/2 cube or 1/2 raised to 3 is equal to 1 over 2 cube is equal to 8. Okay? Next, negative 5 times 1/2. You will have 5 over 2. Pag nag-multiply ng fraction, tandaan, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Ang denominator ni 5 ay invisible 1. So, 5 times 1, you have 5. And 1, yung invisible, times 2, you have 2. And plus 1. Next, same with this one. 4 times 1, you have 4. 1 times 8 is 8. Minus 5 over 2 plus 1. Okay? So, eto, as you can observe and see, pwede siyang i-simplify. Okay? Ano ang simplest form ni 4 over 8? That is 1/2. So, copy natin ito. Minus 5 over 2 plus 1. Now, how are you going to add this one? Ayan, paano na ito solve? Okay? May fraction na involved at mayroong whole number. So, yung ibang mga students dyan or yung ibang mga nag-aaral ng math, siguradong mag-freak out pag ganito na yung nakita. So, worry no more. Kasi ganito lang yan. Pag ganito yung nakita niyong equation or expression, para makuha yung sagot, you just need to get the LCD or least common denominator. So, ano magiging least common denominator nila? So, you have 2 as the denominator of 1/2, 2 as the denominator of 5 over 2 or 5 halves, and ang denominator ni 1 ay invisible 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang kanilang LCD ay 2. So, 2 divided by 2, you have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then copy, minus. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Times 5, you have 5. 2 divided by 1, yung invisible denominator niya, is 2. Times 1, you have 2. Okay? Next. 1 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 2 over 2. So, this is now the remainder, or simplify, negative 2 over 2 is just equivalent to negative 1. Therefore, the remainder of 4x cubed minus 5x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 is negative 1. Okay, so mag-level up tayo. What if ganito yung question sa module nyo? The expression 4x squared minus px plus 7 leaves a remainder of negative 2. Find the value of p when divided by x minus 3. So, kailangan nating makuha si value ni p. Ito. Ano ang magiging value niya given the information? So, ganito lang yan. Okay, first copy the expression. You have 4x squared minus px plus 7. Okay? So, ang ating divisor ay x minus 3. So, therefore, this is divided by x minus 3. Which is, ang remainder daw, the remainder is equal to negative 2. So, gagamitin natin si remainder theorem or yung pag-substitute para makuha natin si value ni p. Okay? So, ganito lang yan. You have 4. Get the opposite sign from negative 3. Magiging siyang positive 3 squared minus copy p. Then, you have 3 plus 7 equals, remainder natin is negative 2. Okay, next. Copy 4. 3 squared is equal to 9. Minus, pagsamahin na, so, p times 3, magiging siyang 3p or p3. Ikaw bahala kung lang gusto mong mauna. Anyway, pares lang naman din yan. So, plus 7 equals negative 2. Okay, next. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Minus 3p plus 7 equals negative 2. So, i-transpose na natin or transfer natin ito na may variable doon sa kabila at ito sa negative 2 dito naman. So, para magkakasama na sila. Okay, or similar terms. You have 36 then plus 7 from negative ililipat sa kabila, so magiging siyang positive. So, positive 2 equals negative 3p, ililipat natin doon, so from negative magiging siyang positive. Okay, 36 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 45. Then copy 3p. So para si p na lang ang matira, kailangan natin siyang i-divide by 3. Both sides. Balance. Kasi sa mathematics, dapat balance ang equation. So, 45 divided by 3, you have 15. And 3p divided by 3, cancel this one, you have p. Therefore, the value of p is 15. So, to check, kailangan natin i-check kung tama nga si 15. So, babalik tayo doon sa remainder. Pag ang nakuha nating remainder ay negative 2, therefore, ang sagot natin na 15 as the value of p ay tama. Ayan. So, pinalitan ko na. Ito na yung equation natin. Or expression, rather. You have 4x squared minus 15x kasi kanina, diba, ang meron tayo ay px. So, si p, nakuha na natin which is 15. Pinalit ko na. So, 15x plus 7 divided by x minus 3. Kasi ito yung divisor natin. Okay. So, ang goal natin ay makuha si remainder na negative 2. Para ma-prove natin na yung value ni p na 15 ay tama. So, substitute tayo. You have 4. From negative 3, you become positive. Okay, so 4, then 3 squared minus 15. You have 3 plus 7. So, 3 squared is equal to 9. 15 times 3 is equal to 45. So, you have 45 plus 7. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 45 plus 7. So, pag kinompute mo yan, 36 minus 45 plus 7, the answer is negative 2. Therefore, our remainder is negative 2. And, yung value ni p natin na 15 ay tama. Ayan, so that's it for today's video. Hindi ko na po sinama si factor theorem kasi madali lang naman siya. Masasabi mong factor si divisor ng dividend pag ang kanyang remainder ay 0. So pag tinanong kayo kung factor ba ito o hindi, gawin nyo lang ulit yung sa remainder theorem. Then pag 0 ulit, that is a factor. Pag hindi naman, then hindi siya factor. As simple as that. So I just hope meron kayong natutunan for today's video. Check out the next video. Bye-bye.